video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use the new template sheets from Crafts2 to fit the Press to Impress, to get words to go around a circle and to also set in the right size and the right shape for the Press to Impress stencil shapes. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go through the template first, and I'm going to show you how we work. And what this will do, which is amazing, it will give you this beautiful words or patterns or anything that go all the way around a circle. And on this video I'm going to be doing the circle, but you can also do the straight borders, and you can turn any stamp into one of these. So you can see here we've got happy birthday going around the circle. In here we've got swirls all around. Here we've got special day flower and swirls, and here we've even got happy birthday going off at an angle. All of them even, and all of them something that is virtually impossible to do without the template. So the template has been sized and made in clear, thick acetate so that it fits exactly into the Press to Impress, although it will fit in other leading stamp presses as well. And what we've got is a square drawn in evenly. We've got all the circles, and these go from 1 inch all the way out, and these are every ½ an inch through. This means it's been sized perfectly to fit with the press cut nesting dies, which are all, of course, every ¼ inch. You've also got the lines going from the corners and from the middle, which basically dissects the circle into 8 sections. And this is what makes it possible for you to keep rotating and stamping in exactly the same place. Here I've put it on a piece of white paper so you can actually see it. So what we're going to do is, I've already cut a circle of white card, and this fits exactly into here. So this is a 5-inch circle, and if you can see, fits exactly on this lined circle there. So if I pop this in, pop the template in, pop it in the right place, and pop my magnet down to secure it. That's all held firmly in place because the template is notched to fit. Then I need to put my word in. So we're going to go with the happy birthday script. But of course this is straight, and I can't, it's very difficult to bend it. And again, you wouldn't want to purchase stamps that were cut to the circle, and again, they would only fit on one size. So this is how we get the circle to fit. And again, I'm going to slide a piece of white paper in so you can see this better. So we're going to take our template out, and you'll notice on the Press to Impress it has a gridded area which is exactly the same size as the stamping area. So we simply line our stencil up to this gridded area, very simple to do, and I just tape it down at the top to keep it in place. I simply then take my circle of card, place it on the correct circle, and tape that. I can then turn that over. We'll pull the paper away, and you can see there that you've got your circle exactly where we're going to stamp. Everything will reverse, everything will fit. So we're going to take our happy birthday, and all I'm going to do is to choose one of these sections, and I'm simply going to curve the stamp onto the top within these 2 lines here. So you can see that it's held within the 2 lines. All I then need to do is take my template off, pop it into my press. I don't need the tape anymore, that will be secure. Take my circle, pop it on the corresponding circle on the template, magnet in, and it's simply a case of inking and stamping. So I'm going to ink my stamp and stamp. And there's happy birthday circular round. I move it around to the next section, keeping it on that circle, making sure it's nice and even, and simply stamp again. Move it round again to the next section. Make sure that the happy birthday is even between these 2 sections, and stamp again. Rotate again, and you literally keep rotating and stamping until you've gone all the way around the circle. So obviously the possibilities of this are endless. You can use all different stamps, different sizes. You could use different designs. You could use flowers. You could put happy birthday balloons, as I'm going to pop in the center of this one. And as long as you keep to the simple rule that whatever you kept in one section or two sections, you keep it nice and even. It's very simple. And as you can see, each turn, as I ink and stamp, it fits exactly in one of those sections. And as long as your stamp fits within the sections, it will work. So we put our last one on, happy birthday, and there we have happy birthday circling all the way around. And as I say, that could be swirls, it could be dots, it could be designs, it could be anything. But the other fantastic thing for this is that this has been sized exactly so that it matches with the stencil shapes for the Preston Press. Everything is designed together. So previously, you couldn't work out how to get the circle bang in the middle, because this has been made the same as these. This simply fits bang in the middle and will give us a perfect circle right in the center. So we can take a little bit of ink if we want to. I'm using a little bit of pink VersaFine Clair, and then I can just stencil around this, keeping it in place. It's best to actually use a few more magnets just to hold it into place. So we're working around that circle. Then when I remove that, you'll see you have the perfect shaded circle bang in the middle, which means that I can add a little design or a little pattern into there. I'm going to use some of the finger stamps and use the Easter eggs. But what I'm going to do is put a little bunch of balloons in. So I'm using these upside down. So instead of them being Easter eggs, these are balloons, 4 colours, really simple. Let's have a little one there, there we go. So 4 simple balloons in the centre. I'll move my inks away. I'm just going to take a little black pen and we'll put their little strings on, just like that. Now I've got a little space free there, so I can take the other happy birthday, pop that into place, simply pick up with my lid, ink and stamp, and there we have our happy birthday balloons with our circle going all the way round. Really easy to do, and these template grids mean you can place your stamps anywhere. You can do so many different options and so many different techniques using these.